guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. We are back for another coffee and morning vlog. I wanted to do a quick makeup, show you guys my new product, chit chat with you guys. We have vegan, organic, cruelty-free makeup and skincare. Hi guys, I'm Ellie, founder of Ellie Orchid Cosmetics. We have a 24 karat gold collagen day serum, 24 karat gold collagen night serum. They will minimize pores, it will brighten your complexion, get rid of acne scars, age spots, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging. Our face cream consists of retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, vitamin E. It is the most hydrating face cream you will ever need. We have a 24 karat gold collagen, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle soap cleanser, which is for face and body. Our skincare system is going to make your skin from top to bottom flawless. I know you guys are going to enjoy it. If you guys like content like this, I'm the founder of Ellie Orchid Cosmetics. We have vegan, organic, clean, cruelty-free skincare, makeup, and yeah, it's going to make your skin look like this. I don't have any makeup on. I do have my eyelashes on. Everything you guys are seeing is going to be in the description box down below. If you guys are interested in purchasing it, you can go to elliearcadeshop.com to grab the products. And I have, for first time customers, Ellie20 as a 20% discount. So if anyone wants to try our products, and if it seems too expensive, you guys can enter the Ellie20 promo code at checkout to get that 20% discount, so you guys can get an opportunity to try the products. So hopefully you guys will come along and subscribe and hang out with us. I am so excited about this because I was looking for a kind of a cleanser or soap or whatever for the face, but I'm also like really like obsessed with like lotions and, you know, salt baths and things like that. So I wanted to create a product that was going to be for face and body, because, you know, if you're just like taking care of your face but like not your neck or chest or your arms and legs and your body, then it's just kind of like, okay, so your face is young but then the rest of your body is gonna be wrinkled. I don't know. I came out with this 24 karat gold anti-aging, anti-wrinkle collagen soap. It comes in this beautiful gold package. It smells like English rose. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm gonna put it closer to the camera. There is gold in it, just like the 24 karat gold serum. We have gold in this as well. This is literally amazing. I've been using this, like, I don't sell anything until I use it myself. Make sure you know what it feels like, what it does. And my skin is really sensitive. Like, I have baby oil in my shower, so like after I shower and stuff like that, I have to put like oil or lotion on. And with this, I'm not putting anything on. Now it's up to you if you guys want to lather, you know, with oil and body lotion, things like that, but I'm just saying this is not drying. If anything, it's very, very hydrating. So I've been using this for face and body. I have one in the shower. Now this comes wrapped in plastic. And then you take the plastic off and you use it. It lathers just like a soap. It's literally amazing. Smells like rose. Like, it has like a really beautiful scent to it. When you use it, the scent doesn't stay, by the way. Like, it goes away, but like initially you have that little bit of a scent. It's like really beautiful and very luxury. Like, just I don't know, it's very royal. Okay, so anyway, so we have this product. Again, it's 24 karat gold collagen, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle soap for face and body. It comes in this beautiful gold package. So yeah, just like Queen's death like really, really affected me. I was born in London, England, so you know, my father was a diplomat and he worked for the royal family, and they sent him to South Africa to study to become an admiral in the Navy. And so, I mean, for me and for my family to be mourning the Queen is a personal thing, because my dad worked for the government, and you know, they literally paid for like all of his kids like education, and we all went to private schools, and we, you know, we lived a very bougie life. So being driven in like a diplomat car with the flags and stuff like that, it was really amazing. I had a really, really magical, amazing like childhood. So anyways, thinking about all of that, and I was just like, oh my God, I have all these videos like all over YouTube that was just, I'm not really proud of some of the work or some of the things that I've done or said. It's really, really toxic. It's really, it's a bit much. And as I was thinking about all of that, and I've been really, really contemplating, like I'm definitely going to delete a couple of my channels for sure. And just kind of delete these videos or the channels or whatever I'm going to be doing. I haven't decided what I'm doing yet. And as I was thinking about all of that, I was on TikTok last night, and then I saw like Ray J apparently has come out and completely put Kim Kardashian on blast about how Kris Jenner got Kim Kardashian paid $400,000 for her sex tape. We all kind of knew that, right? We all kind of like knew that, but it was never like confirmed. And the fact that we now get the confirmation, and he's all like, hey, I wasn't gonna say anything, I haven't talked to this person, but the minute I mentioned that, apparently can't, like, he showed the DMs like on his TikTok live or whatever, and it's pretty crazy, you guys. It's pretty crazy. And I'm not gonna lie, I was just like, this is why I want to delete some of the stuff, because it's almost like I gotta go through my channels and I gotta see like what the hell. I'm probably gonna have to delete a bunch of videos, or I mean, when I say delete, I'm just gonna put them to private so no one else can see it. But yeah, I was like, I'm thinking the right way. If my brand is gonna, by the way, the name of my brand is just Ellie. Now we just changed it to Ellie, and I have another business. Well, I have an announcement which I will share when everything is ready. But anyways, and I was like, this is how shit's gonna happen. Like, you know, if something happens and I'm manifesting blowing up my business and my brand, right? And then people are gonna be like, they're gonna have like save these videos that I've done, right? And then like show clips of like the worst of me that I was, like maybe talking badly about people or talking badly about this person I was dating. And I don't want to, you know, cursing people and saying that I give people cancer as I'm talking about it right now in this beauty vlog. But you know, I said some crazy shit, right? So anyways, I was like, yeah, let's get rid of that, because Ray J, like, he's going for it, man. And I think that he's tired of being painted like the bad guy. So as I was thinking about all this stuff last night, this is when I saw the Ray J stuff. And I mean, Kim Kardashian has a lot of money and a lot of power, and she can do whatever she wants. And I don't know, maybe they're gonna pay him maybe he wants to get paid. But it's almost like the damage has been done, because he is throwing Kris Jenner and Kim Kardashian under the bus. Like, they got paid for this. Like, I got them rich. Like, this sex tape got them rich, basically. She became, like, people started talking about it. What Kris Jenner was trying to do out of the situation actually worked for him. They got their own show. So yeah, things worked out for them. You know what I mean? And he's just pissed about it, because now she's like a billionaire with an airplane. And he's like, what the F? What am I going to get out of the situation? I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow palette and just put some down. So I think he's all like, yeah, what am I going to get out of this? Because hell, I was involved. I was the one that was, you know, doing the deed. And he wants to get paid. And this should have been all done already behind the scenes. Like, I think they should have just paid them off. Now, one of the episodes, I think we saw that Kanye went and got all the tapes and stuff from Ray J. Like, apparently he flew and like met with him and the whole shebang. But apparently it wasn't effective enough, because, yeah, it wasn't effective enough because still, did I tell you guys I already had eyelashes down? So, because he's not coming out. He wants money. So Ray J wants money, obviously, and he's just like, you know, give me like $10 million, I don't know, to not talk about this anymore. But anyways, I think the damage is done, and it's kind of scary. It's kind of scary. So I guess the moral of the story for today's video is, as I'm doing my makeup, is be careful who you associate with. Be careful who you tell your secrets to, because when you become famous, or you become, you know, when you get involved in social media in whatever extent, they can come back and blackmail you, right? If they have any photos, like I you guys know how many times I was asked by guys, hey, do you want to film? And I'm like, absolutely not. I do not want to film. No, I don't want, I just did like a really, really subtle eye stuff. And I'm like, no, absolutely not. I'm not going to film. Sorry. I know I'm good in bed. But anyway, that was done on purpose. So it was done on purpose, and Kris Jenner was trying to figure out how to make her daughter famous. So she's actually said that in interviews. Kris Jenner has said in interviews, quotes, well, Kim she doesn't really dance or act or sing. So we had to think about something, and we just threw a bunch of things on the wall until we just threw a bunch of things on the wall to see what was going to stick. So that's literally what the mom did. And they all have, everything they have is because of the mom. She literally made them all rich and famous. The mom did. The mom made them all rich and famous. So we have to give her that. But at what price? Nobody really respects them. I guess people want to look like them, and now they're altering their looks and stuff, and it's just like really crazy. Anyways, the whole thing is just like, as I was thinking about all of this, to see this Ray J TikTok thing last night just really gave me confirmation that yes, I'm going to either delete my other channels or just put videos to, I think I'm going to put videos to, that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to put my videos to private, the ones that I don't like, the things that I've said or the way I've behaved. I'm going to put them to private. And then maybe if there's a channel that I don't like, I'm just going to change the content and do something else instead of just deleting it, because that's dumb. Because I worked really, really hard to like get it monetized, you know? But yeah, so you guys should let me know what you think about this whole situation. I think Kim Kardashian and the Kardashians, they need to go down. It's time for them to go down, because Jesus Christ, they're rich enough. And then now, you know, I'm small business, right? Coming out with my little skincare system that I use for myself, and my customers are buying, and no one's ever complained. We've never had any returns. You know, everyone loves it. Everybody sees results. And I'm trying to, you know, make my business more successful, right? I do everything on my own. I don't have any money to like hire photographers or do professional like promo videos or anything like that, right? So I do everything myself, and I'm editing and I'm videoing and I'm doing everything. I'm like literally like a one-woman show. And so I work really, really hard, right? To do everything that I'm doing. And it's just, you know, it's like Kim Kardashian has enough money, right? So she is selling like a skincare system that is like $400 or something like that, which is insane. Like, dude, if anything, you should try to start helping people. I'm gonna do a lip gloss today. We're going to do Luna. My lip glosses are 6 shades that you buy all together. And this is going to last you forever. And these lip glosses are highly pigmented. They're vegan, organic, cruelty-free. And you can use them as eyeshadows. You can put it on your face. They plump up your lips, by the way. So this is, what am I using? Luna. Gorgeous. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous nude. And it's just going to be absolutely beautiful with this look. I was going to do a lip liner with it. So I think I like it like this. Let me just do a little bit to give myself a little bit of color. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and today's get ready with me look of the day coffee morning vlog. Love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Again, if you guys are interested in any of the products, everything's going to be listed in the description box down below. Just go to ellieorchidshop.com. Whatever you want to purchase at checkout, put in Ellie20 for 20% discount, which is a great discount. If you've never purchased from us, give it a try. You will love it. Support small businesses. Please give this video a like and consider subscribing if you guys like vlogs and beauty and hair and skin and all that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for another look of the day. Get ready with me, maybe a little gossip. All right, bye guys. We have vegan, organic, cruelty-free makeup and skincare. Hi Hi guys, I'm Ellie, founder of Ellie Orchid Cosmetics. We have a 24 karat gold collagen day serum, 24 karat gold collagen night serum. They will minimize pores, it will brighten your complexion, get rid of acne scars, age spots, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging. Our face cream consists of retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, vitamin E. It is the most hydrating face cream you will ever need. We have a 24 karat gold collagen, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle soap, cleanser, which is for face and body. Our skincare system is going to make your skin from top to bottom flawless. I know you guys are going to enjoy it.